So we are talking a little bit about Alchem-e Pay. Um, Alchem-e Pay is different than other payment processing solutions. Um, what makes the difference is the fact that we are a true EBPP platform, electronic bill presentment and payment, right? So we allow our customers, either from the government side or from the corporate side, to be able to go online and create accounts, not just to go and make payments. If they create account, we also allow our customer to opt in for electronic bill, which cut cost for our customer, which means that the government entity will be able to save money by not producing paper bill. We also bring a little bit of paper saving in the process. So if you don't pay for your postage, you don't pay for the production of your bill, you save money. A lot of payment processing solutions out there are not offering that possibility. I will also touch a little bit on the fact that we create an account for the users. They can go online and then schedule payment for later days. They can go online and view how they have paid their bill for the past few years. So our solution offer the ability to get reminders, which is different than what the competition has to offer. So if your bill is due at a certain time, based on your preference, and that's what we call preference management, you will get a notification via email, via SMS, to tell you that your bill is due at a certain time. You click on that, you can get the bill presented to you. That means that you are opting for electronic bill. That means that the company that is using our solution is going to cut cost. So many advantages that we have presenting our solution compared to the market and how other people call payment solution. So this is what I wanted to talk to you about today. So if you want to learn a little bit more about Alchem-e Pay, go to rakemi.com and you will get the information you need. Thank you.